Want faster growth, greener leaves, and bigger, tastier fruits? This simple DIY fertilizer made with just yeast and sugar could be your garden's new best friend. Herb sparkles. Test tube, what you'll need. 1 liter lukewarm water. 10 grams dry yeast. 1 tablespoon sugar. Seedling, why it works. Yeast is packed with B vitamins, nitrogen, and phosphorus, all essential for root strength, faster flowering, and quicker fruit ripening. Sugar feeds the good microbes in your soil, boosting nutrient absorption and overall plant health. Pushpin, how to make it. 1. Mix 10 g of yeast in 1 L of lukewarm water. 2. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar. 3. Stir well and let it activate for 30 minutes. 4. Use it to water your plants. Apply twice a month on vegetables, fruits, flowers, even your indoor plants. Speech balloon, tell us where you're gardening from. We love seeing our global garden family. Red heart, tap the heart if this helped. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more natural gardening tips.